My name is Damian Sinclair Ngali, and I will present about Coffee Court. Coffee Court was located at Town Square, Bintulu, Sarawak. The owner chose this location because it has a cheaper rent and bigger space. There are two major problems, which is Coffee Court only have one supplier that provided raw material to the location, and there are many competitors that doing the same business at the same area. Coffee Court was not affected by the politics due to its location, unless the economy of the country is unstable, which might threaten the profitability and competitive advantage. For layout, Coffee Court used the process-oriented layout. They put the same type of machine into one session, so it will be more easier and faster for the workers to produce the product. To avoid so many workers in one session, the owner divided the workers into two shifts, which is morning shift and afternoon shift. One shift has 3 persons each. Last but not least, maintenance. Coffee Court use the preventive maintenance. They use this method because they want to make sure that every machine and equipment are in a good condition while the shop is still operating. So, every opening workers will do a morning check on the machine and make a preparation, while the closing workers will clean all the machine and check again if there are any problem before they close the machine. Lastly, there is a daily routine check by the owner. This is because if the machine or equipment broke down, it will cost a lot to the shop. Thank you.
My name is Nur Najwa Syahirah binti Mama Isa from BA2442B. For the next slide is product design, goods and services. I chose Sweet Muslim Cake House Bakery, which is famous for various types of desserts, cakes and pastries. And the bakery also provides for any booking services such as decoration for the cakes, wedding and on. And the last one is Sweet Muslim Cake House Bakery staff also provide a good service to customers. So proceeding to the next slide, which is a location strategy, which is one of the 3 critical stages in operation management, which is Sweet Muslim Cake House Bakery is a strategic place which is located at the center of the town. It is also near to the other resident house, and it is one of the ideal location which is near at the public road. So we're moving on to the next critical stages in operation management, which is a layout design. Sweet Muslim Cake House Bakery was established since 2014, and the bakery also provides a kitchen store, stocks room, cashier, a fridge for the cakes and the desserts. For the last one, critical stages in operation management is maintenance. Sweet Muslim Cake House Bakery identified their maintenance costs by providing a good quality of the foods they make.
Assalamualaikum, my name is Nur'Ain Syafiqah binti Baharom. I would like to present about 3 critical decisions. The interview at Vast Energy for the location strategy, it located an industrial area which at Bukit Minyak, Penang Science Park. Company have chosen this place because it is near with the worker home and near with the port to delivery customer order. If there any currency risk happen in Malaysia, there will be no risk to the company because their transaction about unit is using currency United States. They have 2 suppliers from places Malaysia and China. No competitor near with the company. Next, for the layout strategy, the company have 2 levels in the factory. For first level, it will be production and warehouse, while level 2 for office and canteen. The company use 2 types of layout, which are office and warehouse layout. The office layout will look like Cube Farm, while for the warehouse will look like IKEA. The company choose this type of layout for style to maximize the utilization of the total cube of the warehouse. We build 9 workstations, which is EM1 and EM9. EM1 weigh and install small component, EM2 stick the component on the plate, EM3 test component, EM4 install big component, EM5 install box such as motherboard depend on customer demand, EM6 install cable at unit, EM7 install small cable at board, EM8 finishing the product, EM9 quality check either all complete or it will ground installation. From EM1 until EM3 need 20 minutes to finish the installation, while EM4 until EM9 need 1 hour for each workstation. For the maintenance, the company use preventive maintenance. The company will service their system or computer every year depend on the system needed. The company will have calibration which happen every year and it have their own date to repair. For calibration, the company provided, but usually they will take other vendor to maintain for their system. The purpose of calibrate this system is to make sure the software that being used is up to date and works smoothly. The company will be shut down when engineers want to upgrade their server to be more particular and fast. That's all, thank you.
Hi, my name is Norannatasha binti Abdullah. I have choose Transporter Api Sinyal Bahat, which is an supply company that design and supply of gas and condensate metering system. The location of their branch company is located at Permajaya Tudangiri, which is you can find them through the Google Maps when you type their full address. So the Google will show you their surrounding, so you can see the in front of the office. Also, their office can be easily to be seen because it is the vehicle passing area. So you can see whenever you pass that, then you will see the in front. So for their layout, they have two types of layout, which is first is of their office layout, and the second is their warehouse layout. So their office is at the left side. The flow inside their office is quite good because it makes their staff feel comfortable to move around to do their work because the space is quite big. Also, each of the staff has their own working table, which is also have a divider to give them equal space for working. The second is their warehouse layout. Their warehouse is located at the side of their office and all the way to the back because this is the place where they do their loading stuff, which is the supply staff will come in 2 until 3 times a week. So for the maintenance, this company, they do the two types of the maintenance, which is preventive and breakdown. So this company will do their both maintenance 2 to 3 times in a year because there is a lot to do.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I am Nur Fazilah binti Abdul Ghaffar. I will present about the company that I choose, which is KK Optic and Contact Lens Sdn Bhd Kota Kinabalu. There are 3 strategic decisions. First is allocation strategic. The owner of this business choose this location because it easy customer to find. Second, the rental cost is cheaper. Next, mostly the workers' home is near with the shop. And lastly, it easy supplier to deliver the stock. Second is a layout design. The layout of the company is to make sure customer will comfortable and satisfied with their service. Lastly is maintenance. This company have 2 maintenance they use to maintain the quality of the service. First is a preventative maintenance, where the routine of the workers to keep the facility in a good condition. Second is a breakdown maintenance. This is an emergency repair on a failed equipment, for example, machine for test the power of degree.